Come with me as I show you how I spend my day as a student and an entrepreneur. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Aisha Abba. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for always staying with me. So today is morning, uh a Sunday morning. Yeah, I came to shop some items with my friend um at the shops close to University of Maiduguri, and then there's this beautiful shop, like there's this amazing shop that they have beautiful items. The shop is Yangashi. They have beautiful items in the shop, like ladies wear, ladies wear, sorry. They have amazing, and the items have good quality. So we bought a few items and then we took our leave, and then I went back to school, dropped some items off, and then this is me going back home. I got an order, and then I I have everything at home. Like I have the items ready at home, but then I forgot to get one item. I did not even notice that I did not have the item, so I had to go back to the market to get the items. So this is me on my way, and then I stopped at custom market to check some cabasas, like because the cabasas we have at home, I don't think we even have any cabasas at home, so I came to get them. And then this is the item I came to make. I did not even have ingredients for these items at home except for the oil perfumes and the dry ingredients. I did not have the base ingredients to make this cream macamaria, and then it's the most important item to even make the cream macamaria, because without the base you cannot make this. So I had to go to the market to shop them, and then these are the items that I have at home. Like I said, I have some items at home. I have made some bakuls, some humras, and then some are not available. Like the halud is sold out, but then um I made another batch that same day. I came to basically restock and then make some items. I really made a lot of items that same day. That day, okay, the day was so productive. Like I made brown Kullecha, I made white Kullecha, and so far so good. Like they smell so nice, so amazing. My customer loves them. I tried to take pictures of this black wood. Guys, I haven't taken a very nice picture of this black wood. I don't know how I can hype this wood, but then that black wood is the most underrated bukhur in my collection, because people don't even know that it is the most amazing and most strongest and long lasting bukhur that I have in my collection. Yeah, somebody tried it, and then after trying it, she told me that she wants to get a liter of it. So that's how amazing the black wood is. I made this beautiful halud. You all know that my halud is the best seller. I always get sold out on my halud. I make halud twice in a month. That's why I always have the woods and the oils and everything ready. I'm always soaking the wood. So this is my halud, looking so amazing, so juicy, fully infused. I infused this for 2 weeks. Yeah, I let this sit for 2 weeks. I soaked it with cologne, you know the drill. Check my previous videos to know how to make this beauty. When you master the process of halal making, you are definitely going to love it. Like you will love it. Karu in kun gwada wannan halal din, ba za ku iya ku koma baya. Recipe nan shi ɗayan nan da na saka a YouTube channel na, shi ne the best. So at night I went to restock on some other perfumes, because the main shop I buy my items in the market was closed. So I came to today's store to get some items and some skincare items too. And then this variety, they did not even have the oil perfume I was looking for. But then we bought other perfumes. We bought Bully Wood. They had the Bully Wood, and they have them in little quantity. So We got the bruni wood. You know, bruni wood is so good and so nice when you use it in making your furniture, yeah. So I have furniture at home. I boiled my furniture for this furniture I was making from wood. So after that, we just got a quick stop at Cravings to get some ice creams, and then I came back home to reply messages of my students. My students are so amazing. I don't joke with my classes very much. My classes very, very much. I love my students. You are definitely going to benefit from it. This is what my students learn from my advancement. And the price for this class is not something yeah, we do not look like you're getting. The fee for the class is just 15,000 naira. But what you will be learning in the class is worth more than 100,000 naira. It's a lifetime knowledge that will benefit you, benefit others, and you will gain a lot from this. The food trial which have incense, embras, lectures, altars, inspired perfume. You can get a lot from this. My student, she's so serious. She's always doing her practicals. Whenever I drop a recipe in the class, she always recreates them. I have students all over the world. This is one my student from Ghana. She sent me this video of her items. I actually got the ingredients for her. Sometimes I shop the ingredients when I'm free. I shop the ingredients for my student, but when I'm not, I just give you suppliers contact to get the items from them. And then this is the reviews that I've been getting. The batch E class we just finished is so fully packed and amazing. The student are I also got home to this amazing review from my customer. She got these items you're seeing on the table from me. I sent it all the way from Nigeria to US. Like, she got a lot of items. She got tea from my sister. She got Baku. She got Humra. She got Kullecha. She got oil perfume. She got UD colognes. She got um different. She got a lot. She got a lot of items. So this is the items she got. I am going to make a video on that because this order doesn't need like just a little clip that you're seeing here. We need a full video of this order because this customer this customer is the best. Like, this is this is a lot. She got a lot and she loves them. I wish I can post with the voiceover, but then I don't want to. But she is so happy, and then I am happy too that she loves the items. So when you buy from Trari by Aisha, you are definitely going to love it. We ship worldwide and we are budget friendly. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share, subscribe, like, comment, and I will see you in my next one. I promise you guys, the next video is going to be amazing. I have told you, tell me the videos you want to see. See you in my next one. Bye.